morning, everyone. I'm Coach Eman of Anytime Fitness and Domingo, one of the Endominions. Yoo-hoo! So, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be discussing you about the importance and significance of the gym equipment and machines we usually see kapag bumibisita tayo ng mga gym. So, right in front of me, isa sa mga one of the most effective machines for back muscles. So, tadan! So, ito yung seated low row na tinatawag. So, para saan ba yung seated low row? It's actually good for your back muscles. Pwede natin siyang gamitin para lumapad yung back natin and kumapal yung back muscles natin. To help me out, so meron akong tatawagin na member ng Anytime Fitness. So, papakilala ko sa inyo si Sir Carl. Sir Carl, kamusta, sir? Sir, good morning. So, this is the leather area kung saan tayo umupo, Sir Carl. And this is the handle. This is the platform where we put yung yung legs natin. And of course, this is the stacks. So, ito yung pipiliin natin kung anong volume yung kailangan nating buhatin. Okay? So, Sir Carl, palagay lang po yung paa. So, dapat slightly bend yung knee natin. And toes pointing up. So, yung legs natin, yung distance ng legs natin should be shoulder width apart. And you have to maintain yung spine natin na naka-neutral position. Alright, then grab yung handle natin. So, si Sir Carl, medyo matagal na siya nagwo-workout. So, tamang-tama sa kanya yung 50 pounds na weight. So, you have to inhale for preparation. And then, as you pull, inhale, then exhale. Nag-i-inhale tayo sa ilong, nag-exhale tayo sa mouth. Alright, then exhale, sir. Alright, one more. Alright, there you go. Okay, guys, actually, yung machines natin, we can actually use this for aerobic and anaerobic exercise. Aerobic, good for challenging and training your cardiovascular system. Kumbaga, ang gagawin lang natin, dapat lighter weight and then mas maraming repetitions and sets. While kapag nagbibuild tayo ng muscles or anaerobic exercise, we need to slightly increase natin yung volume ng binubuhat natin para mag-hypertrophy yung muscles natin o magkaroon ng increase sa muscle mass. Okay, guys, do's and don'ts kapag pine-perform natin. So, pinapakita ngayon ni Sir Carl na medyo mali yung form niya. So, we need to correct. Yung spine natin kailangan naka-neutral position, which is ginagawa ngayon ni Sir Carl. So, kailangan proper yung naka-chin up ng konti para yung breathing natin maganda. And then, ang technique dyan, yung elbow natin, as much as possible, dapat closer sa trunk para mas maganda yung contraction ng muscles natin. So dapat guys, kapag nagwo-workout tayo, gumagamit tayo ng machines, progressive yung ginagawa natin. Huwag biglaan. Okay? So hopefully nakatulong ako. Sir Carl, thank you. Salamat. So that's how we properly use yung seated low row. I hope na may natutunan kayo. So again, this is Coach Eman of Anytime Fitness and Domingo. See you soon.